a carton box, aluminium foil and thermocol, glass and black chart paper, sellotape, scissor, paper knife and fevicol. First of all, the thermocol which is to be kept at the base of the carton box is to be covered with black chart paper. Now we're going to place the thermocol at the bottom of the carton box. Now we're going to cover the cutouts of other thermocol with aluminium foil. These thermocols will now be placed at the sides of the carton box. After this, we'll cut off all the edges of the carton box except for the longer one. This remaining long side will act as a hinge for the glass to be attached. Now, with the help of the edge and the sellotape, we are going to attach the glass to the box. After that, we'll take another cardboard to make the hood of the solar cooker and cover it with aluminium foil. This hood is to be placed like this over the solar cooker. After joining the hood, the solar cooker is ready and it looks like this. The solar cooker is a basic instrument which uses the principle of greenhouse effect to cook food. The sunlight is reflected from the hoods covered by the aluminium foil and refracted into the glass into the small compact space here. Here food is cooked.